Bro. I just flew. I just flew like something.
Hello, guys. Welcome to a brand new face to face. Me and Vicky are gonna play this insane face to face.
Yo.
It's gonna be fun.
Let's go.
Let's
Come on.
go.
I'm gonna beat you.
Oh,
Bro.
you have a bus.
Nah, I'm gonna beat you. What? See?
Come here.
No. Come on.
No.
Man. I love
No.
it. I love it.
No. Go away.
No.
Bye
No.
bye. Bye
You
bye.
son of a gun. Hold on. Let me get you back.
Nah, I'm gone.
Bro, this is so unfair, man. I got a bus and you got a monster truck. How can I win?
Yes, sir.
I'm literally playing this game for 3
Ambulamb.
days and look at you.
An ambulamb.
An ambulance? Hey!
No. Oh, imagine.
bro.
Imagine.
Bro, no.
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 Not today.
No.
No,
No. Go away.
come on.
Go away.
Let me go.
No. Damn, you're lucky.
Ah, yes.
What did,
How do I
okay,
use this?
rocket voltage.
How do I use this
E,
rocket?
brother. F, press F.
Bro,
Press F.
no. You're
Press F.
Bro, I just jumped at myself.
I just see flying out of the map. I'm coming for you.
Bro, I just fell off. What do you mean by coming for you? And
Coming for you.
I got a old vintage car, man.
Let's go. You're dead. No. Lol, you're lucky.
Go away. Why do you keep hitting me?
What?
You're
Okay.
literally like 23 seconds away, man.
My car just
Why?
turned off. My truck, I mean. Car.
Wow.
Wow.
That's
Okay,
a car.
bro.
No, it's a car, bro.
Okay,
It's a
bro.
car. It's a car.
Okay.
No, it's a car, man. It's a car, man. Don't.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by truck and a car?
Please. Don't do this. Don't do this.
What? Yeah.
Don't do this.
Look how the tables have turned, huh? Look how
Imagine
the
if
tables
you
have
don't
turned,
hit me. Lol. You're so bad.
Bro.
You're so bad.
Bro. Why?
I have
Why am I
boost.
so bad?
Nice.
Oh, I got a nice car. It's an electric.
Okay, I'm
Okay,
dead now.
come on, buddy. Bro, these bumps are
Let's
so
go.
annoying, man.
Okay, I got the vintage car now.
Okay,
Lol.
I just got
Coming for you.
sent off.
The sound is nice. Oops, I'm flying. I'm flying. Help me.
Come on,
No.
come on, come on,
No.
come on, come on, come on. Yes.
Listen to the horn. The horn's so funny.
Hey, bro, it's like a train horn, man. Why
No,
does
it's
this
an
truck have a train
old horn. No, it's not a train horn. Oh my
about
god,
I was
no.
talking about this truck.
Okay. Lol. I'm dead now.
What do you mean? Do you have a BMX?
I'm not
Please
gonna
say
tell
you
you.
have a BMX.
I'm not gonna tell you.
Please say.
Why should I
Yes,
tell you?
I can see
Oh my
you.
god.
I can see you.
No.
Oh, it's a cabbie.
Please, for God's sake. Yes, sir.
Bro, why?
Yes,
why?
sir.
Why do I keep
Please
missing
climb.
you?
Please climb. Go, cabby, go. You can do this. Climb,
No,
climb,
you can't.
climb.
Bro, I'm bringing you an ambulance.
Oh my god. I feel like you're gonna
911
catch up
wants
to me
emergency.
again. Call ambulance.
Ambulance! Call an ambulance!
I'm
Not
gonna
for me.
Don't worry. Slow and
I'm gonna
steady wins the
change.
race.
I'm gonna change the car. But I'm the slow guy. Oh my god,
You're
why
gonna
this
get a
car
BMX.
again?
You're gonna get a BMX. What did you get?
Go away. Yes, I'm heavier. I'm heavier.
How the
Who's
hell
your
are
boss
you gonna
now?
get an ambulance?
Who's your
No,
boss
it's a
now?
bullshit, man. Bro.
Who's
it's a
your boss
bullshit.
now?
It's so
Okay,
bullshit.
I'll let you pass.
How can a car be heavier than an ambulance?
It's old
I don't
vintage car,
understand.
you know.
So?
Old is gold.
So it's made of a titanium or what?
Yeah, it is.
Wow.
Stupid!
bro, just
Okay,
say
I got the
it's
ambulance
made of
now.
titanium.
Ambulamb. Oh, you're already blue. Oh my god. No.
I'm first.
No.
I'm first. Yes, I catch up.
Not like this.
I caught up. Yes.
Not
let's
like
go.
this.
Yeah. Look at
Make way for the
the way
ambulance,
back.
bro.
you. No, I won't.
Make
Screw
way for
you.
the ambulance.
Screw you and your patience.
Faster.
Go away.
Faster.
No, you're not. No,
Catching
you're
up.
not. No, you're
Caught
not.
up.
Ah. Look at the table too. No. Bye, bro.
Faster than
See
you,
ya.
though.
Have fun.
Faster than you. Lol.
Bro,
Go away.
How?
Go
How?
away.
No, how? Seriously, how?
Small boy. Go away.
Hey, what do you mean by small boy, man?
Cause you're
I have
small.
a beard. Alright? Shut up.
No. Damn.
Bro.
I was invisible.
Oh, we got the same car.
Shit. That's a
I mean,
truck,
truck.
bro. Yeah, car. Nice. Look who's spelling me it's a
Okay.
car. Dumbo.
You stupid.
Hey, why can't I use this gun now, bro? There's a gun, right? Why can't I
Can't.
use it?
Can't.
Nope.
This
Why?
is a race. Dumbo.
Why? Bro, screw you.
Okay, got a car.
Oh, bro, why this?
Let's go. I'm faster. Let's go.
Bro,
I'm faster. Bye bye.
come on, man. This race is so close.
Yeah. Chill. We have.
Why
oh
the
my-
hell?
Okay,
Why the hell am I
okay,
flipping in a 6x6?
Okay. Oh.
No, it's not a
Calm
6x6,
down.
3x6.
Calm down. No, it's a 6x6.
Oh, I was right then.
Yeah, you are right.
Okay.
I'm coming
Guys,
for
I'm new to this
you.
game, so please forgive me if I'm wrong.
Yeah, he's like 10 days into the game.
Yeah.
Oh my god. No.
Go. Shit.
Bye bye. I'm
Shit.
stuck.
Please,
Consent, bro.
Bro, I just missed the checkpoint.
Ignore what I said. My bad.
Yeah, I know. I know what you said.
No. You did not hear anything.
Naughty ass.
No. You heard nothing.
Yeah, I heard
You are
everything.
legally deaf.
I heard everything.
You're legally
I
deaf.
heard everything.
No.
I'm not.
You're legally deaf.
Technically, I'm not.
Oh my god,
No,
how
I'm
many
not.
monster trucks, bro? Jeebus.
Bro, I just said I'm legally deaf.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Come on.
No.
Come on.
Yes, no. Yes.
Come on.
Bye. Have a good
Bro,
Lol.
bro, why did
Bye-bye.
I back off? Hey, why can't I turn this, man? Please give me a ramp car.
Nope.
Please give me the ramp car.
Nope.
Bro,
No.
I just got a 6x6 again.
Lol.
I just got 6x6 again.
Oh my.
This is the
this
third
truck.
time, I think.
Oh, let's go. Never mind. You're dead, bro.
Fuck, I'm dead.
Imagine
I'm
if you got
literally-
a ramp in front
Nah,
of
you know
that.
what? I'm
Lol.
gonna die by myself. Don't you worry. Look at me. Arabian style. Bro, what is
Okay, go. Come with me to the
Actually,
top.
you know what?
Oh, I can jump, lol. I'm gonna make you follow the map.
Bro,
Go, go.
bro.
Let's go.
Bro.
Jump.
Why?
Jump.
Why?
Can I do this? Wait a minute. I have to try
shit.
something. Okay.
Please help me. Bro, please leave me.
Oh,
Please
I
leave me
just
alone.
leave this left. I mean right. I could do that. Go away. Oh my god, you just
Oh, shit.
lol. The way you fell. Lol.
I don't know how to ride a BMX, man. What do you mean?
Oops, oops.
Come on. Catch it.
Okay.
Bro.
Oh, you caught up.
Bro, how many times do you get this? And I got a 6x6 again. Bro.
Come here.
This is
No,
like,
you're first. No, you're still
yes,
second.
let's go.
Never mind. You're still second.
Bro, I'm 1 minute behind.
1 minute, 11 seconds. Lol. I'm gonna wait for you. I'm gonna sabotage you.
No,
Come
you're
back,
not.
come back. You have to turn.
I'm not gonna come with it, bro. How?
Oh
How?
my god. I used the
Bro.
special ability. Stuck.
I just got stuck by a foot. Like a football.
No,
Yes, yes.
escaped. Okay. I just flew and I got a... What is this?
You got what?
I forgot the name.
Please say something else.
I
Please.
got the...
Got the
Forgot the
what,
name,
what?
bro. Are you gonna see it? Never mind, you're gonna see it.
Oh,
I'm coming. You flipped. I see you.
Flipping hell. I got an award saying flipping hell.
Lol.
Bro.
Oh my. How did you escape? You're not gonna escape, bro. Not today.
Bro, Beetle, come on. Come on. Come on, Beetle. No. No.
You're not.
Bro, please, 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 for the love of God, please.
Hello. How's life?
Screw you and
Oh,
your
you just reset.
damn myself. Bro, why? Get down. Get down.
Think you're gonna pass?
Bro, is
Not
gonna
today,
wait.
bro.
Okay.
You think you're gonna pass?
We are playing Euro Truck Simulator, guys. Oh, no.
You think you're
No.
gonna pass?
Yes.
Try to pass then.
If you let me pass, I will. Okay. You and
Hey,
fuck
hey, no
everything you
swearing,
stand
bro.
for.
Hey, hey, shut up.
You son of a gun. Let me go! Bro,
Stuck.
call step,
Oh,
bro.
oh, oh.
What?
Or call
I
step,
was gonna-
sister.
Bro,
Oh
what are
my.
you talking about, man?
You're dead right now. Lol, you're so cute.
Bro is playing Rocket League with me. No. No. I just got... Okay. I had enough. Let's go. Yes. Run, run, run. Run,
Not
run,
today, bro.
run.
Not today.
No.
This is the last time I'm gonna sabotage you.
Please. Please, bro. Bro, come on, man. Why? Why do you keep doing this? Why? You are already 12 minutes in.
you. You're so cute. Oh my god, the pen. Oh no, I fell. That's karma for me.
Yes. Yes, let's go.
If I get
Come
the
on,
same
come
car. Oh my god. But I have a better car than... Oh, you're flipping. Did you fall off?
Ah, okay,
Don't
I
say you
just-
fell off.
No, I didn't.
Imagine if you
I
fell off.
just flipped. Oh, it's you.
Bye, have a great
Shit.
time.
Bye.
Bye bye.
I chose blue and I got green. Why?
I don't know. How's the game?
So what's the point in
How's the
choosing
game?
blue? I like blue, man. Blue
How's
is my
the
favorite,
game?
you know.
Little boy. Okay.
What are you then? Big grown ass
I'm-
stupid.
Nah. Not as dumb as
Yes.
you though.
At least I'm cute and dumb. Not like you.
You're still dumb. Go away.
Yeah, take it.
No.
It's waste of time for me. I'm 3 minutes late. Okay.
Lol.
I'm literally 3 minutes 30 seconds behind you.
Lol.
How can I even catch up? You are like in 10 minutes and I'm in like 14 minutes. Bro, why am I flipping? What's wrong with me?
This truck is trying to climb the thing. Climb the ramp.
I see.
Yes, sir. Final checkpoint. Okay.
What did you get?
Can do something.
No, no. Yes.
Oh my god. No. Hold on,
Bro,
you see.
why do I keep getting slow cars and trucks?
That's a truck, bro. You don't-
It's a truck. I know it's a truck,
No,
man.
it's a truck. No, it's a truck. No, it's a car.
No, it's a truck.
Oh, I'm wheeling.
I'm gonna catch you. I'm gonna
it's a
catch
car.
you.
Thank you.
Look at me. Look at
Thank
me.
you for the push. Oh,
Look
my.
at me.
The turning radius is so ass in this car.
Bro. I just flew like
You perfectly flew off the map. Okay, we have the same cars. Wait, that's not bad. You have the slipstream. My.
How do I
I
get
have
this?
this slipstream.
Oh, you get this discipline now. Okay, you're gone. You're gone. Are we in same place?
Now it's the
Yeah, we are.
I think. Yeah.
Bro, why did...
Oh my. What is this? Like you're faster than me. Oh my god, no way. No. What is this luck? Bro.
Look at
Okay, I'm catching up. Bro, how are you faster? I'm dying. No. We still have one more checkpoint. I'm getting slipstream.
No.
Okay.
No. Don't do it. Don't do
We're so
it.
close.
Don't do it.
So close.
Don't do it.
No! Oh my god, imagine if I fell off. Oh, this is the decider. Oh, no way, dude.
No.
No way,
Yes,
dude.
yes.
No. Bro, no. What is that luck?
I'm gonna win.
No.
Come on.
Bro, the luck. Nah, chief. Nah, not like this.
I'm gonna win.
Bro. Flash. The luck.
I
Bro,
won.
you're so lucky.
I won.
You little
I won
bastard, you're
twice.
so lucky.
Yeah.
Shut up.
Yeah.
You're so lucky, you bastard.
I won. Look at you.
No, you're so lucky.